Okay, I mentioned yesterday in a video I passed another take profit trader account. I will say I thought I would traded for 7 to 8 days. I've been so busy lately, I don't even know which day is which. But actually, I finished it in 5 days, so I'm over the 159,000 amount. Let's go through here through each day real quick. Okay, let me scroll down. So. Day one did 3,500, day two 1,500, day three almost 800, day four, day five, and that put me over 159,000. So 1, 2, 3, so basically 5 trading days. Now that's a typical day for me on only 150K account once I'm live. Once I get a little over 750-ish, then I just no need to press it since it's a live account. And now with TPT, you can have 350K accounts connected together. I really, really hope, maybe in the next 3, 4, 5 months, they'll go to 10 accounts of at least 150. Be nice if they added 250 or 300K accounts, or I could have 5 or 10 of them linked all together on the tradingview platform with the CQG data. I see NinjaTrader had more outage issues. Trader put out a big email about the NinjaTrader problem. So between NinjaTrader and Rhythmic, you can really get your live accounts messed up. So I'm trying to add as fast as I can, kind of more and more live accounts on CQG data and options other than NinjaTrader 8. I do all my charting analytics now, TradingView. So I'm thinking that next month or two, I should be able to no longer have any need to use NinjaTrader for anything. I'll have, well, Apex Trader, I got to keep trading on NinjaTrader there up until the point that I convert and pass all new accounts under different signups. So then I can close my original ones and cash out any remaining balances on the NinjaTrader 8 Rhythmic accounts. At least there they do have Tradingview. But I'm trying to move as many as I can off the Rhythmic feed too. So anyhow, yeah, 5 days now with Take Profit Trader. One of their rules, you got to trade a minimum of 10 trading days. So I'm basically done. I'll put on the token trades each day. I already put on the trades for today. So let's see, Wednesday of next week will be my last day of putting on a few token trades. Well, obviously maintaining above the $159,000 limit. I'll probably have the account creeped up 100 to 200 more by then. Just trading really simple stuff each day, so there's at least some trade activity, some round turns. Now remember, another thing about Take Profit Trader, they have one bizarre rule that I don't like. You can't have more than 50 almost like clicks per day. So when I'm trading these accounts, most of these days I was anywhere from 39 to 48 clicks to accomplish. Like this day, I think I was at 48. These days, I think I was in the high 30s, 39 to 42-ish. That day, I think was probably my lowest, maybe only 30 clicks, meaning every time you click your button to get in, regardless of the position size, that is considered an execution. So ins and outs are each their own execution. So at the end of the day, you cannot have clicked more than 50 times, whether it's getting in or getting out, regardless of position size. So go read the rules. I hate that rule, and I trade MNQs on such a small account. I wished on a MNQ account I could have like 250 clicks, then I wouldn't even care. If I'm trading big contracts, 50, I don't need more than 50. The problem with the rule is for people that trade MNQs, there's no adjustment for that. So you got to live under the same rule as a guy that's trading full contracts. That's just not right. They need to bump the micro guys on the prop accounts to more clicks since they're trading a contract that's 1/10 the size. I don't know why they don't fix that. They say that rules to keep people from doing high frequency trading. Nobody's going to go and be trading high frequency in these accounts. There's better rules than that. Like, time between trades. Like you can't have the predominance of your trades with 3 seconds or less between trades. Boom, right there, you get rid of all HFT. So they need to get rid of that rule. It's a ridiculous rule. The 10-day rule, I think, is dumb. I think it should be, all prop firms should be either 0 days or 5 days max. There's no reason somebody should have to go 10 days to pass a prop, especially on a 150K account when you only need to get 9K. So now I got to go and ding around for 5 days doing, a couple of trades just to meet the requirement. So, oh well, it's their rules. They get to make the rules. Now, letting you trade 3 accounts connected on Tradivate. Tradivate naturally allows you to connect counts, like having a built-in trade copier, and having CQG data is a very smart move by Take Profit Trader. So they're definitely going in the right direction, and I just hope they get rid of that stupid 50-click rule for the pro account. Once you convert account and you go watch their videos at Take Profit Trader, they have, and this is why I'm doing these accounts. When I have $5,000 extra, that's money that's available to be withdrawn, I can email them and say, hey, I want every account I have with you where I'm sitting at $5,000 or more in amount of money that's able to be withdrawn, flip all these accounts to Pro Plus, then you can all these rules disappear. And that's it's literally like trading your own account. You can have as much of a pad as you want. A good thing about these guys, they don't restrict withdrawals in any way. And they're a great group. They're just a few little things, and they'll get a lot more traders. Get rid of adjust the 50-click rule for micro traders. Go from 10 days down to 5 minimum trade days. Then in the future, go to 5 accounts, and then in the future, go to 10 accounts that you can trade. Maybe add a 200K or 250K accounts. Not have 150 be your biggest, but they're trying to be prudent and do it slowly and grow things organically. I get it. But if they make a few little changes, they could literally increase their signups probably by 30% in a month. They're just right there to where they're close enough to start competing with a guy that would typically just only go trade through Apex. You get 20 accounts, they can be 300K and everything. Now, another thing these guys do that's very, very good, other people in the industry should do it. You can reset the live account up to 3 times. I think it's 3 times, 2 or 3 times. That's huge. I think Apex should add that instantly. And yeah, you got to pay a pretty penny to do it, but would you rather do that or have to go back through and go do a challenge all over again? Especially if you get snagged on the day when there's been outage issues with Rhythmic, or heck, NinjaTrader now having outage issues. You got to remember, NinjaTrader in the background runs on servers. All these platforms and everything and data feeds are running on servers. Servers have issues. So that's just part of the game. So anyhow, yeah, I finished this in 5 days. I already did my token trade, so I got 4 more days of trading. So let's see, Friday and then Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, so Wednesday at end of day, I shoot the email to TPT. I said, okay, you guys already know I'm over the 159,000 amount. I'm still over it. I've done my 10 days. Okay, I'm ready to pay the $130 fee. And they get you set up pretty fast to be live. So if you send that stuff in the afternoon, they should send you the email to sign your contract. I already have a deal account as the intermediary for payout. So that's nothing that's going to slow me down. So it's a fairly quick process with them. So TPT going in the right direction, tweak a few things, you'll be beautiful. Okay, there you have it. Take Profit Trader, minimum 10 days. I've now got 6 done, 4 to go, but anytime I do this or I'm already over and I got a few days to go, I know what kind of little quickie trades I put on to keep adding a little bit of minuscule profit. So by end of day 10, everything's per the rules and I'm good to go to have the account flipped to live. If you have any questions, let me know at info@zonelgo.com.